Hello, welcome. This is your boy Leki, and I'm here with another awesome strategy that guarantees you at least $50 to $100 per day. Now, in this video, I want to explain a few things to you, and it's gonna blow your mind. Trust me. So it's gonna do you a favor if you watch this video till the end. Ensure you watch this video to the end. It's very, very essential to watch this video to the end. So quickly, I want to show you how you can capitalize on just using indicators to help you spot support and resistance levels, and how you can actually maximize them and utilize them for your own profiting. So if you're new to this channel, just click the subscribe button below and also click the bell button so you get notifications to awesome videos like this, and also share and like this video. Now quickly jumping right in without wasting your time, if you don't know how to add indicators to your chart, I advise that you go watch the video that I've created on how to add indicators to your chart. So just go to my channel and search for indicators and templates, and it will bring out video for you. So now quickly looking at this, you're going to be needing some few indicators, just 3, 2 moving averages and the stochastic. The stochastic, as we all know, is an oscillator, so basically you're not going to be needing much stress on it. Now the indicator you're going to be needing, you're going to be needing the 200 EMA and the 50 EMA. Yeah, quickly, yeah, 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. Now the stochastic setting is going to be 60, 12 and 12. 60, 12 and 12, and that's it. So what are you looking for? Now you can actually trade this on the lower time frame, the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, the 1 minute, if you actually the impatient type. You can go as little as the 1 minute, but as for me, I like to stick with the 15 minutes. So now what are we looking for? Simple, straight, and without stressing. I'm looking for a push up for a sell signal. I'm looking for a push to the 80 side or above the 80, between 80 and 100. I want to see the stochastic move between 80 and 100. That tells me that the market has given me a pullback. Then I also want to see that the moving average 50 and 200. I want to see that the 50 has crossed below the 200 and is still below the 200. Note that the 250 must be below the 200 and must still be below the 200 when the stochastic is overbought, that is above the 80 mark. Like this kind of scenario, then you just take your profit right here. You enter right here and you take your profit. You can see you take your profit out when your stochastic becomes oversold, like here. It became oversold right here, and you're good to go. Simple and straight. Now look at this same scenario. You can see something like this also. It became overbought, so you enter the market here, then you sell right here. Very simple strategy. So it's a strategy that works on all time frames and all markets. It is no respecter of markets. It respects all markets rather. It works on all markets. So you have yourself a lot of profit to make. You have yourself a lot of profit to make. So let's look for a buy signal, a buy scenario, so that we could actually understand this strategy properly. All right. Okay. Looking for a buy scenario. I'm looking for a buy scenario so that I can explain to you. All right, I think I have one right here. Now you can see this scenario here. You can see this buy here. You can see it went oversold. Yes, went oversold, and it also went up to this level right here. You can see oversold, it went up to this level right here. So now you just place your entry here and take your profit just at this point when it become overbought. So you can see it's a very, very profitable strategy, very, very profitable strategy that all it needs is just your patience, because the market is a strategy that you might not actually get much trades on a particular market per day, but by the time you combine several markets, maybe about 10 or 15 markets, you certainly get at least a trade per day, if not 2 or 3 trades per day. So look at this particular scenario. Here. You can see overbought, and you can see it moved up and crazy, isn't it? Yes, as crazy as it is, that's how your money is going to be crazy. Yeah, look at this scenario also. Though this didn't come down, this dropped before it touched. So if you had entered here, you still would have made your profit at this point. So this strategy is very awesome, very, very awesome. So if you like this strategy, I'd like you to click the subscribe button below, and do not forget to click the bell button so you get notifications whenever I upload videos like this. And also do not forget to share this video with your friends, and do not forget to also come back, because when you get notifications, when you click the bell button, you get notifications of whenever we create awesome strategies like this. And we usually make this at least twice or thrice a week, so it's necessary that you understand and get new strategies on a weekly basis, so that you can know which particular one is going to go with your personality and your psychology. So I remain your boy Leke, Cosby Finance, and I'd like to see you in the next video. Bye for now.